that this honorable court may be magnanimous enough to grant them the right of procreation. On the last day, my Lord was gracious enough to tell me that procreation does not come within the ambit of fundamental rights. I have done some spade work and I'll demonstrate before my Lords that it falls within the ambit of Article 21 of the Constitution. And she desires to become a mother. The responsibility of the state is more important. As for the married woman, completion of womanhood requires giving birth to a child. Her womanhood gets magnified on becoming a mother. Her image gets glorified and becomes more respectful in the family. She should not be deprived to live in a condition wherein she has to suffer living without her husband and then without having any children. Now, on the technical issue that the petitioner has reached the stage of menopause. She has not reached the stage of menopause, Maharaj. On that, they had filed the reply. So, Maharaj, the case is like this. Maharaj, the petitioner happens to be the wife of a convict who's incarcerated in Indore. Maharaj, the petitioner and the convict had a son, 23 years of age. And during the course of this litigation, he expired in the month of December, in the month of January this year, Maharaj. So, by virtue of that, they moved a petition before this honorable court that this honorable court may be magnanimous enough to grant them the right of procreation, Maharaj. Right. On the last day, my Lord was gracious enough to tell me that procreation does not come within the ambit of fundamental rights. Yes. I have done some spade work and I'll demonstrate before my Lords that it falls within the ambit of Article 21 of the Constitution. Please. पर्ची दें। ये दे दीजिए।
ये पर्ची से क्या होगा?
Book.
ये बुक तो पहले देनी चाहिए थी इस जूनियर को।
So, my Lords, I've got the citation, the other citation, but the relevant is the book. I'll come with the citation, Lords. Do you have a copy there? Sorry, my Lords. This book we'll have to refer to. एक और किताब निकालते हैं ना? Criminal Law Journal 2015.
कौन सा जर्नल?
Criminal Law Journal 2015 page 2282.
लाइब्रेरी से बुलाना पड़ेगा वो तो। यहाँ नहीं है वो।
In the course of the time will come. I'm relying on a judgment of the Honorable Rajasthan High Court, which is a division bench judgment, and we'll come straight away to page 3.
Page 3, yes.
Yes. Have you got it?
Yes.
It is not in dispute that the convict prisoner is married with Srimati Rekha and the couple have no issue out of their wedlock. Since their marriage till date, having progeny for the purpose of preservation of lineage has been recognized through religious philosophies of Indian culture, and there are all the religious philosophies, Maharaj. I will not waste my time on that. I'll come straight away to the question.
Your time or court's time?
By Maharaj?
कुछ नहीं, चलिए.
I tender my apologies. My Lord will come to page 5.
Yes.
At the same time, the innocent spouse of the convict is also deprived to peruse the same. In a case where the innocent spouse of a woman and she desires to become a mother, the responsibility of the state is more important. As for the married woman, completion of womanhood requires giving birth to a child. Her womanhood gets magnified on becoming a mother. Her image gets glorified and becomes more respectful in the family. She should not be deprived to live in a condition wherein she has to suffer living without her husband and then without having any children. Now, Maharaj, there again, Pitrdhan, parental debt.
Just a minute. जी.
Now, Maharaj, my Lord will require Jaspreet Singh versus another, the book. Jaspreet Singh and another was the state of Punjab, 2015.
So as an interim measure, we will direct your client to be examined by a team of doctors, and if she is fit to conceive, then we will.
Very true, my Lords. Very true.
ठीक है, लिखिएगा.
Very true.
The division bench also the refused to grant of temporary bail. The order appeal is
we are not granting temporary bail or anything right now.
Team of doctors in Jabalpur. She's from Banaras, brothers.
तो बनारस में वहां पर करा देते हैं. Shri Vasant Roland Daniel or the petitioner submits that right to procreation is a fundamental right as has been recognized by a division bench of the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan at Jodhpur in Nandlal versus State, Department of Home, Rajasthan, Jaipur and others, wide order dated 5/4/2022, passed in D.B. Criminal Writ Petition number 10/2022. Full stop. It is submitted that High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan has held that within inverted commas, it is not disputed that the convict prisoner is married with Srimati Rekha and the couple has no issue out of their wedlock since their marriage till date. Full stop. Having progeny for the purpose of preservation of lineage has been recognized through religious philosophies and the Indian culture and various judicial pronouncements. Next paragraph. It is further submitted that Supreme Court in case of Jasveer Singh and another versus the Supreme Court ही है ना Jasveer
Yes, sir.
Singh versus State of Punjab 2015 CRILJ 2282 has dealt with important questions of law regarding conjugal rights of the prisoners and taking these facts into consideration, it is submitted that applicant be put in the company of her husband who is lodged at Indore jail for a period of 15 to 30 days so that she can take benefit of
Artificial insemination,
procreation,
must.
either be it in a natural way or through artificial insemination. Full stop. Reliance is also placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in D. Bhuvan Mohan Patnaik and others versus State of Andhra Pradesh and others 1974 AIR 2G SC 2092 to buttress his claim. Next para. Shri Subodh Khattar, learned counsel for the state, in his turn submits that firstly, petitioner is past the age of menopause and therefore there is no possibility of any conception, either naturally or through artificial insemination. Secondly, there is a division bench decision of Madhya Pradesh High Court in लाई दीजिए.
Well, we have put it, his life imprisonment is there, and appeal pending against the petitioner, my lord. Annexure R. We have filed a document order
कब
of
फाइल
the
किया आपका डॉक्यूमेंट?
26 को हमने रिटर्न फाइल किया है 26
हाँ, तभी तक आया नहीं है इसमें.
फिर उसमें रिटर्न में फाइल किए हैं. उसमें इनकी जो टेम्परेरी बिल थी वो रिजेक्ट हुई है, वो बता रहे
That
थे.
temporary bail was already rejected by the coordinate bench.
डिवीजन बेंच.
नहीं,
By the
दिया था,
division
division
bench.
bench दिया है. Temporary bill में.
Thereafter another application
thereafter
was thereafter another application was moved.
चलिए छोड़िए.
My lord,
Rejecting the temporary bail application of the accused husband of the petitioner. Next para. Notwithstanding these facts, firstly, there is a requirement of medical report in the hands of an expert team of expert doctors as to whether petitioner is medically fit to conceive or not, for which purpose he is directed to appear before Dean Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Medical College, Jabalpur on 7 नवंबर 2023, who shall constitute a team of 5 doctors, 3 being gynecologists, 1 a psychiatrist, and another endocrinologist, to examine whether petitioner is fit to conceive or not, and shall submit their report within further period of 15 days. List this case on 22 नवंबर 2023.
Much obliged.